Hello everyone. Last time we were together, I was actually feeling very sad. But now I moved to a new place, as you can see. And a lot of things happened, but for today's video, we're gonna open two LABUBU boxes. For all of y'all that know about LABUBU, basically they're so difficult to find, and I can't even get a hold of these when they always come out of the Pop Mart because it's always sold out, or I couldn't get a hold of it because bots are gonna try to take over and I can't buy anything. But I got two from a reseller, and they sold it actually not too bad. I'm not gonna say how much, but it's not one of the crazy ones out there. So apparently they told me that one of them is gonna be hope, and the other one is either love or happiness. So that means it's either the blue one and either the red one or the orange one. So we'll see, but I'm really hoping there is a very, very, very slim chance that I will get the black one, which is the limited edition. I forgot what's the name of it, but it's the rainbow black one. Highly doubt it's gonna happen, but I want to do this unboxing video to see. All right, let's do it. So let's start with this one. Let's see what's in here. I'm always so nervous. I don't want to ruin the box because it has sentimental value to me, but I feel like I'm ruining it already. Anyway, you know what, whatever. All right. Why is this so difficult to open? I just want to break it open, but oh, it has a different style of box, not from the original macaron series. Okay, ta-da! ASMR. But this is the Big Into Energy. These are the newest ones out there. So let's see. Okay, I love it. This is the pink one. This is the love. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm so happy. Look at this. It's red. It matches my shirt. It matches my my purse. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh. Thank you to myself. I thank myself. Okay, we're gonna go to the next one. This is gonna be the hope. So it might be the black one. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, whatever. I don't even know how to open it without breaking the box. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. Well, next time if we're oh. Why is it in a bag? Why is it in a weird bag like this? Whoa. I'm getting nervous. Okay. I thought it was the black one. I would have screamed, but look at it. So cute. Look at that. Aww. I think they're real. They're not fake at all. So I'm gonna scan the QR code, but if you look at them, they seem pretty legit. I don't think they're the fake ones. But really the best way for you to see it is if you go ahead and hit the QR code in the actual tag here, or on the screen here, or here on the box, sorry. But yeah, we're gonna see if they're real. But thank you so much for watching, and I'm just super grateful for these, y'all. There's so many things that happen in my life, but I'm just grateful for the little less things. These are not little things, but I'm grateful that I got this. Made me happy for today. But yeah, there you go.